almost Suzanne, who has been doing yoga since 10 years, and now she has joined the course, and just share little experience. Then I'll just tell them the whole other details actually.
Hello, good evening everyone. This is Susan over here. To me, like how sir has just now told that, I've been doing yoga for the past 8 to 10 years. And I've been learning, and yoga has meant a lot to me because it's brought in mental peace and, stability in my life. And since I am teaching in a boarding school, I'm in charge of a boarding. So taking care of so many children is not a child's play, And I realized that, along with asanas that we learn in yoga, the first basic thing what we think is yoga is for weight loss, yoga is good for learning and all, and then the theory part comes in. And it is such a beautiful, wonderful journey of mine since I've started with Anubhav sir. The theory part put the entire yoga in perspective, and you begin to understand. It is a very beautiful, fascinating journey. And Anubhav sir so has everything planned out, ready, and you have the mock exams, you have the other challenges that as you go along, as you get into this yoga course, as you go along, there are so many beautiful challenges that, intrigues you and makes you get even more interested and fascinating to learn yoga. And that is what I felt, very comfortable doing this course. And, as we all know that Ayush, this is such a prestigious, getting a certificate from here, and to get a guru like our Anubhav sir is really a blessing actually for us. And to me, since I'm also a runner, to me the connection between yoga and the running process has made it even more better, even more stronger. Recently, I just finished my 60 kilometers in 14 hours, believe it or not. It's quite a long thing, but I had used the sutras that he had taught us, in the syllabus, and the one thing that came to my mind is Sthira Sukham Asana, where you are in a particular pace. To me, I applied it in my running career where, in a particular pace, and you breathe in and breathe out. And that is what made me to, complete the 60 kilometers. And everything that is being taught over here, the theory part and the asana, where you stay in deep posture and then breathe in and breathe out. That is a beautiful miracle in itself, I think so. And to me, it's been really a boon. So guys, please don't miss this opportunity. Please get into this. I'm now even gone in for level 3 and assistant therapy course also, all because thanks to Anubhav sir. If I want to just go make sure that I complete all the other courses when I'm under Anubhav sir. It's because of the magnificent guide he gives. So thank you so much, sir, and I hope you guys take advantage of this.